Hey guys, I wanted to hop on super fast and do a semi-annual sale haul. As you can see, I don't have a big haul. I'm gonna start right to left. So got my hands on wild Madagascar vanilla. This is my first time smelling it. I must have been on a break when they had it last time. It is nice. It is a soft vanilla. I feel like it is a year-round vanilla. I think you could wear it, like I said, all year round. I bought one full set. So I have the cream, a body wash, and the mist. And then I bought another body wash and 2 more mists. So I have 3 mist, 2 body washes, and 1 cream. Then there's Tahitian Island Dream. I love this scent. I have been waiting on Bath & Body Works to bring this back forever. Here's proof. I have this bottle that I stopped using because I didn't want to use it up, but I did use up all my body wash and cream. So with that being said, now I can use this, and to me it smells the same. So I got 2 full sets. So I got 2 body washes, 2 creams, and then I got 3 mists. So I have 3 mists, 2 creams, and 2 body washes. I got strawberry pound cake because I'm a sucker for strawberry pound cake and I couldn't resist. And I don't have that packaging. I don't need strawberry pound cake, but I'll use that. And I just got the mist. And then I finally got Hello Beautiful. Every time I've smelled it, I've liked it, and I just never got it. So I finally got it. And this was 2 store hauls. So yesterday at 6 o'clock, I did a bulbous order, and I had a 25% off coupon. So I used that. The store actually canceled my Madagascar vanilla body mist, but everything else I got to the store, they had the body mist. So I just bought that, and then went to another store because they didn't have the Tahitian Island Dream body wash at my main store. And then that's when I picked up strawberry pound cake and Hello Beautiful also. And then I picked up Calypso Clementine. I had been thinking about getting this perfume, and I was like, I'm not gonna do it because it was, you know, $50 something. So it was $27, and then I had that 10 off for $40. So my first store, I had the 25% off coupon, and I did Bovis. Second store, I shopped in store, and I used my 10 off 40. I honestly think this is it for me. If they bring out something new, you know, I may pick something up. But they've been having all those sales, the one-off sales, and so I'm pretty stocked. I actually don't need anything. I didn't need this, but I got it because I didn't have any of these. Well, not strawberry pound cake. Anyway, this was my haul. Again, I don't think I'm gonna get anything else. If I do, I'll just do, you know, a quick short or something about it. But yeah, just wanted to show you what I got. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will catch you guys at the next one. Bye.